Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, and some people call me the Bullfrog. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today I'm going to show you a what if, the target profit fee what if. So let's jump right into it. Right click on my proposal and go to copy. So that way I have a backup of the proposal that I want to change the profit fee on. Give it a new version. You can also give it a new name as well, name or version, and I'll leave open after copy selected. And there we go. Let's change the profit fee dollars in this proposal. So we'll go to the proposals tab up here at the top. Then in the middle section, what ifs, we're going to click on the more dropdown. And the very bottom one is target profit fee. First things first, I'm going to get current fee. And this gives me the fee for the entire proposal. I can set new fee dollars by typing them in. Move this over here a bit. But I want to narrow this search down to just a couple different tasks in my proposal that all correspond to the same contract line item number. So let's make a task selection for that. So we'll go to this task selection section. We'll click on the three dot button here, and we'll make a new selection. This will be the name of the selection. It could be anything you want. I'm going to call it Clean 1AC. Description, only for Clean 1AC. The field I'll be looking for is under Clean, so just type that in. And the value will be, yep, you guessed it, 1AC. And you can use the drop down to select these if you want to, but just typing it in works. Click OK. And I'm going to get current pricing again to verify that it worked. So click on the get current pricing. And then now I'm just looking for tasks that have the 1AC tag under the Clean column over here. So a subset of the entire proposal. I'm going to go ahead and change the charged profit fee amount. And this will change the rate affecting the total dollars on the proposal. So it's broken down by the type in ProPricer. So labor, material, subcontractor, other, travel, and interdivisional. The original fee column marks the amount of fee dollars that are in the proposal and stays constant the entire time. The current fee will be updated every time you run the what if, and the target fee is what we're shooting for every time we run the what if. Lastly, there is factor and freeze. So if I wanted to enter a percentage rather than a dollar amount, I could just enter a factor as well. But I'm going to let ProPricer figure out the factors for me. Under the freeze column, I'm actually going to check the freeze subcontractor checkbox. I don't want to change the fee for subcontractor, so I'm going to lock that out by clicking the freeze checkbox. Once that is checked, then the what if will ignore that subcontractor profit fee dollars here. Then I could enter a fee dollars for labor, for travel, and for interdivisional. I don't actually have any other direct costs for this contract line item or material dollars, so it's automatically frozen those for me. I'm going to go ahead and click on the total fee at the bottom for this entire contract line item and enter a new total fee of $580,000. Hitting enter will allow ProPricer to update my rate factor for me to meet my dollar amount. So that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and run it. The target profit/fee process completed successfully. And in this case, it actually overshot my value by $2. The reason it did that is because it's multiplying a factor times a large amount of labor, which is hours or dollars. So to get it to actually land perfectly on a given amount, we may want to freeze labor, freeze subcontractor, and run it again to eliminate those extra $2. Hitting enter, $589,000, and so we're going to drop 0.001%. It should be around our $2. So we'll process that, and hopefully that should hit our mark. We have successfully used the target profit fee what if to select the exact amount of profit fee dollars we need for our proposal. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. Back in our proposal, we can review what happened. And the target profit fee will update the target profit on each resource. So I'm going to find the task that has 1AC as the contract line item, and I will select it. Then in the resources section, I'm going to right click, go to show, resource, profit fee. And we can see the calculations that ProPricer made to change the profit on this CLIN. So in review here, we use the profit fee what if to figure out what the percentages needed to be for a certain profit fee dollar amount on the proposal. One of the main reasons you might need to do this is for a fixed fee contract. ProPricer always handles fee by a percentage, so handling fixed fee percentages can be a bit challenging inside of ProPricer without using this profit fee what if. If this was awesome, share it with a colleague. If you or your team have any questions about ProPricer we can help with, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, I encourage you to post them in our community forum on the ProPricer support portal, or email us directly by clicking on the link. Again, my name is Jeremiah Hale, and as always, thanks for watching.